I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am
non-resident
here.
alien. Listen to me. I'm telling
I'm
you.
here for no, ma'am.
Whose side are you on in this court hearing? The sovereign citizen or common sense? Personally, I love how this judge handled it. She stayed calm, enforced the law, and didn't let any nonsense slide. Exactly how it should be. Too often, judges let sovereign citizens push their nonsense, and that doesn't help anyone. Honestly, sometimes it's best to just ignore them and get them out of the courtroom. But what do you think? Did the judge handle it perfectly, or should she have been even tougher? If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and take care.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, Janvier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail potentially in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench,
as
or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled, on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
Honestly, the term attorney of fact doesn't hold any weight in real courts. Sovereign citizens say it like it's a magic phrase that can win cases, but the legal system doesn't work that way. Even if someone wants to represent themselves or act as a legal entity without a standard name, they still need proper credentials, like a licensed attorney number. Courts follow established laws and procedures. You can't just make up rules on the spot. This shows how out of touch sovereign citizens are with reality.
At your argument of trial of judge, will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate, or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return.
This situation is about to get even more intense.
Have a great day, ma'am.
The Karen starts completely losing control. while the judge calmly dismantles her arguments one by one. I honestly don't understand why she thinks buying car insurance is so complicated. It's not some secret government scheme. It exists to protect drivers and everyone else on the road. The judge is about to lay out the real facts, and she's clearly going to get even more frustrated. Instead of helping herself, she keeps digging a deeper hole with every point she makes. Let me know what you think about this situation in the comments. Now, let's move on and jump into the next hearing to see how it all unfolds.
May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay, so I need the actual person, Jonvier Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Jonvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Jonvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, man?
I'm an attorney, in fact. Listen.
Who does this Karen even think she is? She's trying to get the whole case dismissed by claiming she's a foreign alien and that the laws don't apply to her. How does that make any sense? If you're driving on public roads, you're automatically agreeing to follow the law, plain and simple, including having proper insurance. This is called implied consent, and no made-up legal argument is going to change that reality. So what do you guys think? Do sovereign citizens have a valid point, or is this just complete nonsense? Let's dive back in.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Jonvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Jonvier Williams, are you present twice? Jonvier Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance on the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Jonvier Williams, the agent.
Okay. So Jonvier Williams is not present.
Authorized representative.
All right. So if she's not present today, I cannot move forward because I need her present. All right. So there will be a capious put out on her zero bond until she appears before the court. I need to have Jonvier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. Jonvier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
Today's story is completely wild. A so-called sovereign citizen gets totally shut down by a strict, no-nonsense judge during a court hearing over driving without insurance. Seriously, you can't make this up? This woman acts like the law doesn't exist and claims it doesn't apply to her because she says she isn't a citizen. As she tries to defend herself, she only makes things worse while the judge firmly puts her in her place. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's dive in.